everyone, let me introduce you all to my project LiveLens AI. LiveLens AI Engineer. LiveLens turns your camera into an intelligent engineer that sees, understands, and solves real-world problems instantly, which is built with Gemini 3 Pro in Google AI Studio. Let me walk you through the demo. So I'll go here and select one file and let's see what it does. So basically you can record the video of your problem and just upload. It will provide you the solutions, step-by-step guide and how to solve it, everything like what tools you require to solve it and not. Or you can just go live without recording a video. You can just open your camera. I'll just show you a bit later in the same demo video. Let me just finish. So you can see LiveLens diagnosis, a room appears. Matlab is showing everything, what you need to do, and how you need to do everything. So you can see this is the main page. You can see here it has photo video options. You can just click here and just go live without recording, but it's advisable by my side, just record your problem and upload over here and it will be solved instantly by this AI engineer. So this is my project and it is very revolutionary in terms of it shows Gemini multimodal functionality and everything very fluently. For your testing, I will just leave the app link below, and thank you so much for giving me such a platform to showcase my skills using Google AI Studio.